Stop frying eggs in oil. Oh no, too much oil! Today, I'll show you a smart way to cook eggs so the whites are perfectly round and attractive, neatly encasing the yolk, which stays soft, creamy, and rich. Tip 1. Perfect poached eggs. First, simply prepare a small baking mold. Then lightly brush a thin layer of cooking oil evenly over the inside of the mold. This step is simple but very important. It effectively prevents sticking and ensures that once the eggs are cooked, you can remove them easily while maintaining their attractive shape without breaking. Next, crack the eggs directly into each prepared mold. You can leave the yolks intact to make the dish look more appealing, or gently whisk them to ensure the eggs cook evenly and softly to your preference. Add a little salt. Next, a little pepper. Place the pan on the stove and add a small amount of water, just enough to create steam when heated. Then gently place the egg molds inside, cover the pan and cook over medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes. Once the eggs are cooked, simply open the lid, gently remove the mold from the pan, and use a spoon or spatula to transfer the eggs to a plate. Thanks to the layer of oil applied earlier, the eggs will release easily, retaining their attractive shape without breaking. For young children, the cute shapes will make mealtime more fun and encourage them to eat with more appetite. For older adults, the soft texture, which is easy to chew and digest, makes meals lighter and healthier. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Do you have drinking glasses at home? If so, let's start with this simple method. Tip 2. First, I prepared Pater heat-resistant starches. At the same time, I mixed about 200 milliliters of warm water with 1 teaspoon of salt. Then stir well until the salt is completely dissolved. This warm salt water helps to give the eggs a milder flavor and also preheats the cup so that the eggs cook more steadily and evenly when poached. Then, I poured a little water into each cup in turn. Then gently crack the egg inside. Because it's held in place in the cup, the egg will have a neat, round shape and will cook more evenly and have a smoother texture during the cooking process. Next, I prepared a steamer pot with water already at the bottom. Then carefully place each cup inside. In the center of the pot, I placed a small bowl and poured about 2 tablespoons of vinegar into it. When heated, the vinegar will evaporate slightly, helping to reduce the natural fishy smell of eggs. Then I put the lid on tightly and placed the pot on the stove. I steamed them for about 6 minutes, just enough for the egg whites to set softly while the yolks inside remained smooth, creamy, and slightly rich. After 6 minutes, open the lid. When enjoying it, you just need to discard the liquid and keep the egg. The finished product consists of hot, soft, and smooth poached eggs with a light texture and a very attractive appearance when served on a plate. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's great that we can connect with each other from all over the world. In the next section, I will guide you through a simple and time-saving trick. Tip 3. And add about 1 liter of water. Close the lid and turn on the stove. While waiting for the water to boil, prepare 2 plates and add a little water to them. Then crack the egg onto the plate, doing so very gently to avoid breaking the yolk. Once the water has boiled, open the lid and reduce the heat. When you see that the water inside the pot is no longer bubbling, the right time to add the eggs is crucial. Do it very gently to avoid breaking the yolks. During the poaching process, never let the water boil vigorously, as the waves will cause the eggs to break and lose their shape. Keeping the heat low allows the eggs to cook slowly, so the whites set softly while still cradling the yolk inside. As the whites begin to set, I cover the pot and simmer for about 1 minute to achieve a soft, creamy yolk, or 2-3 minutes if you prefer a firmer yolk while still retaining its rich, creamy texture. When opening the lid, gently use a slotted spoon to remove them, being careful to lightly blot them with a cloth to avoid burns from the boiling water. Wow! The eggs look absolutely stunning and irresistible. The egg whites have set into a soft, smooth texture, perfectly cradling the golden, glossy yolk inside it. Looks absolutely perfect. This isn't just a delicious dish. It's also nutritious and suitable for the whole family, from children to adults. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's great that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Tip 4. Poached eggs on a spoon. First, I crack an egg into a sieve. Then I gently shook it to allow the thin, white liquid to drain to the bottom, and then poured it into a separate bowl. This filtering step helps remove the overly runny egg whites, so when poaching, the eggs will be neater, without white strands separating in the water, and the finished product will look much more appealing. It's wonderful to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Next, I boiled a pot of water. While waiting for the water to boil, I prepared a large ladle and brushed a thin layer of oil onto its surface. The oil prevented the eggs from sticking as they began to solidify. Then, I gently poured the strained egg mixture onto the ladle. I gently touched the ladle to the surface of the hot water, but without letting the water seep inside. The heat from the water would gradually cause the egg white to solidify and maintain its nice round shape. Once the outer layer had started to stabilize, I gently tilted the ladle to allow the egg to slide down into the pot of water. At this stage, the egg already has a well-formed outer shell, so it will maintain its shape beautifully during the poaching process. The soft, smooth egg white completely encloses the yolk in the center, creating a very attractive and appealing appearance. When you cut it open gently, the yolk slowly flows out, rich and smooth, making the egg dish much more visually appealing.